She left everything behind. Her home, her friends, her language. She had only one suitcase and one dream. Welcome back to Jaed English Centre, the place where every story helps you grow. Today's story is for anyone who has ever started something new. A new job, a new school, or maybe a new country. This story is called Moving to Another Country. Listen carefully and enjoy every word. Her name was Maya. She was 26 years old. She lived in a small, quiet city in her home country. Maya had a simple life. A small apartment, a job at a local school, good friends, and a family who loved her. But Maya had a dream she could not ignore. She wanted to live in England. She wanted to speak perfect English. She wanted a better life. One evening, Maya sat at her desk. She looked at her laptop screen. There was an email. It was from a company in London. "Dear Maya," it said, "we are happy to offer you a position at our company. Please let us know your decision within 7 days." Maya read the email 3 times. Her hands were shaking. This was her dream, right in front of her. But her heart was also afraid. She thought about her mother, her friends, her small, comfortable life. She closed her eyes. And she made her decision. The day came very quickly. Maya packed one large suitcase. She looked around her apartment one last time. The yellow curtains, the small kitchen, the photos on the wall. She touched the photos gently. Then she closed the door. At the airport, her mother held her tightly. "Call me every day," her mother whispered. "I will, Mama," Maya said. Her voice was breaking. Her best friend Anna was there too. Anna gave her a small notebook. "Write everything down," Anna said. "Every moment, every feeling." Maya smiled through her tears. Then she walked through the gate. She did not look back. Because if she did, she knew she would never leave. London was big. Very, very big. Maya stood outside the airport with her one suitcase. The wind was cold. The sky was grey. People were walking fast in every direction. Nobody looked at her. Nobody smiled. Maya felt very small, She took the underground train to her new apartment. The apartment was tiny. 1 room, 1 window, a small bed and a small table. Maya sat on the bed. She looked at the grey sky through the window. And for the first time, she cried. "What have I done?" she whispered. The first weeks were very hard. At work, people spoke very fast. Maya could not always understand them. Sometimes she smiled and nodded, even when she did not understand. She felt embarrassed. She felt lonely. She called her mother every night. "Come home," her mother said. "Not yet, Mama," Maya always replied. One day at work, her colleague James noticed her sitting alone at lunch. He came and sat next to her. "You okay?" he asked. Maya looked up, surprised. "I am fine," she said quietly. James smiled. "No, you're not," he said kindly. "And that's okay. Moving to a new country is hard. It gets better, I promise." Those 3 words changed everything. It gets better. Maya wrote them in Anna's notebook that night. Slowly, things began to change. Maya started to understand people better. She learned new words every day. She explored the city on weekends. She visited museums. She walked along the River Thames. She tried new food. She even started to enjoy the grey London sky. James introduced her to his friends. They were kind and funny. They laughed together. They had coffee together. And slowly, London began to feel like home. Not her first home, but a new home. A home she had built herself. 1 year after arriving in London, Maya sat at a cafe near her office. She was reading a book in English. A young woman sat down near her. She looked nervous and lost. She had a large suitcase. Maya recognized that feeling immediately. She smiled and walked over. "Is this your first day in London?" Maya asked. The young woman looked up, surprised. "Yes," she said. "I am very scared." Maya sat down next to her. "I know exactly how you feel," Maya said warmly. "It gets better, I promise." And she meant every word. And that was Maya's story. A girl who left everything to find something greater. She did not just move to another country. She moved toward a better version of herself. Today's vocabulary words. Number 1. Decision. Decision means choosing what to do. Number 2. Embarrassed. Embarrassed means feeling uncomfortable or shy. Number 3. Explore. Explore means to go and discover new places. Now, your homework. Write in the comments below. If I moved to another country, I would go to... and tell us why. We love reading your answers. Thank you for listening today. You are doing so well. Keep going. Keep learning. And we will see you in the next story. Goodbye for now.